Hey, what's up, everybody? Now, this is where the air fryer is really at its best. Okay, I'm gonna cook these right here. These are Checker Rally famous fries. Everybody's had these from Checkers or Rallies. And Banquet chicken breast tenders. Alright? This is how I look out the bag. See? They're frozen. And so are the chicken tenders. Frozen. Alright? Straight from the bags. Now, put it in the air fryer. Show how easy this is. Let's do it for 10 minutes. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, now when it's halfway through, I want to shake it a little bit. Move it around. Okay? And then stick it back in. My bad. So you can see it. And then stick it back in. Yeah. Okay guys. It's been 10 minutes. And this is excuse me. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna put it on the plate. Hang on. Okay. I want to let it cool down some. But look at that. It looks perfect. Like it just came out the deep fryer, but it came out the air fryer. That's the difference. And it tastes like it came out the deep fryer. So you can't get this with the oven. Put it in the oven, you're not gonna get it. It's not gonna be like, oh no, the oven and the microwave dries the food out, but the air fryer keeps the juices in. That's what I'm trying to explain. That's the difference. And it's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. So look at that. Okay, I had some ketchup and some sweet and sour sauce that I had left over from McDonald's. So I had one guy say, "Yeah, man, air fry is just like the oven." No, it's not like it's not like the oven. The oven dries certain foods out like this. You can't cook the French fries in the microwave and get it to be like this. I mean, okay. So anyway, you guys have a good day. And get you an air fryer. Oh yeah, and one more thing. No grease. I didn't put any grease on this. Nothing. No oil or nothing. But it tastes like it's been deep fried. Okay? I'm going. See that?